In order to understand what present participle and past participle are, let's look at this situation. The movie is so boring. Frank is bored. Boring is present participle. Bored is past participle. Present participles always have the ing endings. Past participles either have ed endings or if they are formed from irregular verbs. We use the third form of this verb, which you can find in the table of irregular verbs. Back to our example, the movie is boring. Frank is bored. When we have a present participle with ing ending, the subject is causing a feeling. The subject is creating a feeling. The movie is boring. But when we have a past participle, the one with ad ending, the subject is receiving the feeling. Frank is bored. Let's try another example. Vampire are frightening. Subject vampire is causing the feeling. And I am frightened. It means I receive the feeling. Frightening, causing fear. Frightened, receiving fear. One more example. The rule is confusing. Jane is confused. The rule is confusing, meaning it's causing confusion. Jane is confused, meaning Jane is receiving confusion. Okay, that's it for now. Stick around for more useful grammar lessons.